we had another input, and this time is from the UK. Okay? Because we are a university of our own, then we think that we should get also the input from the UK. So then we collaborated with Cardiff, University of Cardiff. At that time it was called University of Wales, and of course the Cardiff Business School is one of the reputable business schools in the UK as well as in Europe. But the Cardiff program is very much a modular program, and the collaboration with Cardiff is such that half or more than half of the faculty members will come to Cardiff on a modular basis, and our lecturers' input is only to provide tutorship as well as some of the subjects which we think is very peculiar and familiar to Malaysia. The input to is totally Malaysian. Otherwise, it is very much quality controlled, quality assured by the University of Cardiff. Meaning to say, dia lebih strict daripada Ohio University. Of course, Ohio University, we have followed their template and so on and so forth. As a result of which, quite a few of our candidates did not meet the Cardiff program because of the rigorosity, particularly when it comes to the thesis ataupun the project. Okay, because the requirements was quite stringent. But Alhamdulillah, it was a good program, and quite a number of our students, and some of them becoming lecturers, have actually graduated from the Cardiff program, Cardiff UiTM MBA program. Now, why I show you this comparison? One is a totally American program, and the other one is a UK-based MBA program. Now, some of you have the experience from both countries, or from both parts of the world, UK and US. And you see that UK, dia lebih structured, dia lebih fixed, okay? Dia lebih result oriented compared to the United States, where the learning outcome actually comes from the process of learning itself. But of course, the UK MBA program actually is picked up from the United States MBA program, because to me, MBA program is a product of the United States. It's not a product of the UK. Right? That's how it got started. But the point here is the university, in the context of trying to create diversity, in trying to create alternative, we then introduce